Hi everybody, my name is Eli and I'm a first-time buyer of Lordhair, and today I'm going to be doing a 1-month review and an installation video of Icon. I purchased Icon back in June and it's a layered look. I purchased it in the color Jet Black. This is a super fine mono, and as you can see it's very durable. You can't tear it. I personally don't like using tape, as I like having the freedom to take my hair on and off every day. I've only slept in it once and it was a good experience. I may sleep in it again, but as far as an everyday look, I prefer to take it on and off. So what I'm going to do for you now is the installation. All I do is prep my head. On the back, and then we just start the install. I've been wearing Icon for about a month now, and I have to say, as far as hair pieces go, I really enjoy it. I find it's super natural. It blends in with my natural hair color. I use a wide tooth comb to kind of do some freestyling. It takes a few minutes to dry. And once I get it kind of where I like it, I like to just lightly mess it up. And I kind of twist it and turn it a little bit. That's about it, honestly. Sometimes I'll just kind of keep playing with it a little bit. Overall, I am very satisfied with this purchase. I like how natural it looks. I like how natural it feels. The craftsmanship is really, really good. Yep, and it's done. That's it.